For this presentation, I want to talk about cellular respiration and photosynthesis, how one another connect, and whether or not you can have one without having the other. Catabolic or anabolic? Which one is which? Well, photosynthesis is catabolic because it results in the breakdown of glucose or sugar molecules to generate ATP. You can think of ATP as the storing and transferring of energy through the cells. Cellular respiration is anabolic because it results in the synthesis of ATP from glucose molecules, what you get from the result of breaking down the glucose molecules. How do they relate? Well, cellular respiration and photosynthesis, think of them as opposites of one another. It is an inverse relationship. So my biggest thing that I think of when I'm not even thinking about biology or any means is when I'm thinking about how opposites attract. I always automatically think of batteries. So if you can think of the relationship that the negatives and the positives of batteries hold to one another, you can think of and relate it to cellular respiration and photosynthesis. So they're opposites. So photosynthesis captures the energy while cellular respiration releases what has been captured. So you cannot have cellular respiration without first having photosynthesis. As in this, can they occur with one another? The simplest answer is no. Either can occur without the other since they are basically the reverse of each other. So if you are planning to get energy, which is energy comes from photosynthesis, comes from the sun, goes down, produces all the CO2. So that is producing the energy that the cellular respiration needs in order to provide the energy to the plants. I want to go back to this picture really quickly. So the picture shows the sun beaming down onto the plant, which photosynthesis, a lot of what it needs comes from the sunlight. So if the energy being captured by the sun by photosynthesis was no longer there, how would in return we be able to get cellular respiration, which then releases that energy that has been captured? So all in all, they are not able to occur without the other. You need the photosynthesis to produce the cellular respiration.